Hi, this is Justin Burns with the J&J Burns team with Platinum Real Estate. This is my lovely wife, Julie, and we're excited to introduce you to our newest beautiful listing in Stone Canyon in Owasso, Oklahoma. Enjoy the tour.
Welcome to Owasso's most desirable practical luxury living neighborhood, Stone Canyon. This stunning estate is a parade of home winner. Built by Epic Homes in 2019, and it boasts nearly 3,700 square feet of modern styling with tons of curb appeal and a large lot. Stepping inside, you'll discover the gorgeous open concept main living area with loads of natural light, built-ins, a box beam ceiling in the living room, beautiful hardwood floors, and a kitchen that's sure to be perfect for meal prep, dining, and entertaining. The nearby dining area easily accommodates a large table, and during your tour, don't miss the huge walk-in pantry. The master suite is entirely secluded, providing you with a peaceful private retreat. And the stylish master bath provides a soaker tub for relaxing and a pass-through to the laundry room from the closet for extra added convenience. Upstairs, you'll find 2 large bedrooms with walk-in closets. There's also an upstairs game room for extra added relaxing and entertaining options. Overlooking the pristine lawn, this home features a covered back patio for enjoying drinks and dessert after dinner while enjoying views of the greenbelt, walking trails, and sunsets to the west. During your personal tour, be sure to set aside time to explore all of the lifestyle that comes with life at Stone Canyon, including the neighborhood pool, Stone Canyon Elementary School, the large lake and walking trails, and the nearby Patriot Golf Course, all located just 20 minutes from downtown Tulsa. For more information, contact Justin and Julie Burns with the J&J Burns team.